Hi, I'm Chris. Today I'll be showing you how to install the Cape twin shower. I've laid out what we require for the install here. Let's start off with assembling the shower rail to the shower arm. Here we have our tiled wall with wall outlet coming through a 25mm diameter hole. We'll be adding 2 extra drill holes below to secure the shower in place. Measuring 739mm down centre to centre to the first hole, and a further 16mm below that for the second hole. For tiled walls, you will need to use the plastic plugs provided. These holes need to be 6mm in diameter and 30mm deep. Next, apply some Teflon tape to the wall outlet. Screw on the supplied threaded adapter with an 8mm Allen key and tighten firmly. Locate your lower mounting adapter and hold firmly to screw in place. Position the shower rail over the adapters and gently push in place. Fasten by tightening the top and bottom grub screws. Ensure the flow restrictor and rubber washer are already installed in the shower rose. Again, ensure the flow restrictor and rubber washer are already inside the shower hose, and then screw this end onto the shower rail and screw the other to the hand shower piece. And we're done. Thanks for watching.